Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market review, and we will figure out is it bull trap, bearish reversal signal already, or it's still bullish trend. We'll see. Let's switch to trading view. If you want to learn more about trading view, just go to the description. There is the link about trading view setup and trainings and other links to all my trainings. Before start, let me mention about my quick setup. I'm using moving averages. White line is MA 200, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, and green line MA 5. I'm using only one indicator, right? It's moving every MACD indicator. Green line it's a bullish, red line it's a bearish, and white line it's a signal line. And histogram, green is a bullish, red is a bearish, yellow line is a zero line between bullish territory and bearish territory. Okay, let's start. And also I'm using buy and sell script, just for confirmation, nothing special. Let's start SPY, SPY on daily time frame. This is blue line, it's a major market trend line. It started from top of the market 13 months ago, a year ago. The last 2 days, the last two bars, closed above that major trend line and closed above MA 200. We had the same, we observed the same similar story here, right? It did close above and it did sell off, and we saw it close above the MA 200, and after that it was sell off. It could be the similar story. We'll see. So far, it's still bullish on MACD. MACD is still green. MACD is still green, still bullish. It has bearish divergences, right? The price action is uptrend. Price action on the histogram, if you see here, we have downtrend direction on the histogram. On the histogram, we have downtrend direction. Still bullish trend on daily time frame. Volume is, look at it. Volume is decreasing also, like this one. Decreasing volume. Price action is uptrend, volume is downtrend. Bearish divergences. It has bearish divergences, but still bullish trend. Bullish signal. 4 hours. Let's check 4 hours. Bullish signal, bullish price action, and bearish divergences on the volume, and the histogram, MACD, bearish divergence on the MACD, bearish divergences on the multiple bearish divergences. Still bullish signal. MACD is still green, but still bullish signal. Still bullish signal on all indicators with bearish divergences on 4 hours. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, it's a different story. It has also a bearish divergences. Look at it. Huge bearish divergences, right? If you change it, point this line to this line, it's bearish divergences, and the price action is uptrend. That's what we have. Similar with let me show you trend line for not trend line, bearish divergences for volume. For volume, let me do volume a little bit better. Make it like this one. Okay, it's visible now. Its volume is visible. But you see bearish divergence on the volume also. Bearish divergences on MACD. It's ready for bearish crossover. It's already did bearish crossover on 4 hours, on 1 hour time frame for SPY. SPY is ready for correction. Let's move to Qs. Qs daily time frame. Qs daily time frame. Price action is bullish. Buy signal on the script. Bullish trend. Last bar very far from MA 20. It definitely wants to have correction and connect to MA 20. It closed above this. This is blue line. It's a major blue line from the top of the market. It closed last 2 days. It closed above the major trend line. Previously, it did touched. Previously, it did touched to this line several times. It touched this several times. We don't want to go back 12 months back, but it did. It's strong bearish trend, general bearish trend. Yeah, 2 days in a row we close above it. MACD is still green, it's still bullish. Some bearish divergences on the MACD histogram over here. Look at it, right? Bearish divergences. Price action is up. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see 4 hours. 4 hours, price action is up. Volume is decreasing. Volume is decreasing, right? Let's see. Volume is decreasing on the Qs, and MACD is still up, but MACD histogram has bearish divergence. MACD is still green and up. Still green, still bullish. Bullish, it has bearish divergences on histogram and volume. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour is similar, right? The volume is decreasing. Bearish divergence. Bearish divergence and bearish crossover on the moving averages. Sell signal on the script. MACD changed direction to red. Bearish trend on 1 hour. Bearish trend on 1 hour. Qs wants to have correction on 1 hour. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily. This is blue line. It's a major trend also from the. I'm sorry. I think I have to correct. Yeah, we have kind of. Now we can have multiple. I'm sorry. Multiple lines, because this is the one line that's recently built. We can use it, and the another line is from the top of the market, right? This is the original trend line. It was broken, right? Yeah, like this one. It did bullish crossover over that original trend line. And now we are between the two trend lines. We have sell signal. It has sell signal, and volume is decreasing. Let me. On a daily time frame, MACD has a red line. It's a bearish trend. Bearish signal, and then a sell signal. MA5 did bearish crossover even over MA20, over yellow line. It's a daily bearish signal. Bearish signal. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours similar sells. No, actually buy signal on the 4 hours. MA5 did bullish crossover. Even in MACD change from red to green. Look at it. It's red from red to green. On 4 hours, it's a bullish signal. It's interesting. 4 hours bullish signal, and let's check 1 hour. 1 hour, it's a bullish, right? 1 hour, it's still bullish. Still bullish with some bearish divergences, and we can see the price action is kind of flat on the recently for several hours recently. On the histogram, it has bearish divergence, right? Bearish divergence. MACD is still green, still bullish signal, on Dow on 1 hour. Let's move to IWM on daily time frame. Still bullish, green, still bullish. Let me create a trend line from top also. Let's see. This is the IWM trend line from the top of the market. And we are above this trend line. It's kind of bullish, right? And the last several days already, it closed about, the last 2 days it closed about May 200. It's a bullish trend. It's a bullish trend. Kind of flat. It's kind of resistant level. This is the strong resistant level, right? If you check like this one, it's a strong resistant level. Strong resistant level. And it definitely wants to be rejected. MACD has bearish divergence on the histogram. It's flat price over here. The histogram is downtrend. MACD is still bullish. MACD is still bullish. Daily IWM still bullish. Last bar far from a May 20. Let me go back. Last bar far from May 20 definitely wants to connect to May 20. We remember that rule. When bar far from May 20, it will always wants to connect to back to May 20. Price volume is also decreasing. Let's move to 4 hours. IWM 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours. MACD is getting to green. Yeah, change direction to green. I think it's a bull trap. It's a bull trap. It has bearish divergences. Kind of flat on the price, and MACD is divergent. Histogram is divergent. It's a bearish divergences. On the price action is kind of flat. On the MACD, it's a downtrend. On the volume, it's downtrend. And on the histogram, it's a downtrend. Bearish divergences, multiple bearish divergences on the 4 hours time frame. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, it's a similar story, right? Similar story. Bearish divergences on the MACD. On the histogram, on the price, on the volume, it's a downtrend. Bearish divergences on the MACD, on the volume. Bearish divergences IWM. MACD just changed color from green to red. Histogram is a bearish divergence, multiple bearish divergences. It wants to have correction. MA5 did bearish crossover. It's ready for bearish trend. Ready for bearish trend. If you're bullish, take a profit, sell it, or put a stop. And I would change direction to bearish because the market, it's a bull trap with bearish reversal signal. Let's move to Apple. Apple daily. Let's see Apple daily. Let's make the also Apple trend line from the top. Apple trend line from the top, like this one. Multiple touch points for Apple from the top. And finally, last 2 days it closed above it. It closed above the trend line. It's good. It's a bullish. Yeah, MACD green. It's a bullish signal. On daily time frame, still bullish signal. No changes. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, bullish signal also. Bullish signal also. MACD bullish green. Price action is uptrend. It has some bearish divergences on the histogram right here. If you see it, it's a bearish divergence. But still on volume is kind of recently decreasing, right, for last 3 days. Still bullish trend on 4 hours bullish trend, on daily bullish trend, and let's check 1 hour. 1 hour price action is uptrend, and MACD changed direction to bearish already. Change direction to bearish already. No divergence. No divergence on MACD histogram. On let's check. Let's see here. Divergences on the volume, right? Volume divergences. Still kind of price action. Still kind of flat. MACD already changed to bearish. MACD histogram has bearish divergences. It's a bearish. It changed direction to bearish on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to Tesla, TSL. Sorry. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla. Let's move daily time frame. Daily time frame. This is the major trend line. We are still below the major trend line, far away. Let me show you. It even can be like this one. Yeah, Tesla is oversold big time. Oversold big time. Daily time frame. Daily time frame still bullish. Still bullish on daily time frame. MACD is still green. Still green and bullish trend. Bullish trend. Let's move to. Let me move this one. Let's move to 4 hours for Tesla. Tesla 4 hours. Bullish trend, bullish signal on MACD, bullish on the moving averages, bullish buy signal on the script, still bullish trend on 4 hours. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour Tesla is already bearish, similar like Apple. On 4 hours and daily it's a bullish, on 1 hour it's a bearish. It's changing direction. It's already changed to bearish direction on 1 hour. Yeah, if you see, this is the price action. It's uptrend on 1 hour, right? On the Tesla is kind of downtrend on the volume. Volume is downtrend. MACD did bearish crossover, and MACD bearish divergences on the histogram. Bearish divergences on the histogram here. Okay, bearish trend on Tesla on 1 hour. Let's move to BABA. It's Alibaba Group. Let's check daily for BABA. Let me see what's going on here. It's a major. You see, this is the major trend line for BABA, blue one. Let me change this one color because it's all same. Yeah, let's change to this color to green. Okay, major trend line is a blue. This trend line is, let me change to like this one. Okay, BABA, we are above the major trend line. It has some resistance. Green line is a resistance line. It's definitely overbought. In overbought territory, MACD ready for bearish crossover. It wants to go bearish, and it's far from 820 and 200, kind of straight up. When market goes straight up like that, it always goes straight down. It's like effect of the rubber, right? When you pull rubber far away, it always goes back. Bearish divergences on the histogram, right? Price action is up, histogram is down, trend, bearish divergence on the MACD histogram, no bearish divergence on the MACD lines. Bullish trend is ready for bearish crossover on MACD. Let's check 4 hours. Let me zoom it. Price action is uptrend. Look at it. It's an uptrend price action. And what's going on with my cursor today? Price action is uptrend. And the volume is decreasing. Let me change the volume is decreasing, right? Price is increasing. MACD has bearish divergences, bearish signal. Histogram has bearish divergences. Bearish divergences on all indicators on 4 hours time frame. Price action still up. MA5 didn't make bearish crossover yet, but bearish divergences in MACD already gave us bearish signal. 1 hour. MA5 did already bearish crossover over 10 and 20. It's ready for sale. Huge bearish divergences on 1 hour, right? MACD signal is bearish. MACD bearish divergence. On the histogram, also bearish divergence. Look at it. Let me show you. It's a bearish divergence here, right, on histogram. Even like this one. Bearish divergences and the bearish divergences on the volume. BABA has multiple bearish divergences. Price action is still up. It wants to go bearish. It wants to have correction. If you're bullish, just put a stop or change direction to short, sell it, because you can take a good profit. It has some multiple gaps. Look at it here. It has huge gap. It has like $3 gap below. It definitely wants to have correction. On 1 hour, it wants to have correction. On 4 hours, it wants to have correction also. On daily, it's still kind of bullish. It's ready for correction also. Be patient. It will correct. It will do correction. Let me do summary. BABA, Tesla, and Apple on daily, they want to have correction. On daily, they are still bullish. On 4 hours and 1 hour, they're already bearish. And they have bearish divergences on daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, ready for bearish direction. For indexes, I believe it's a bull trap with bearish reversal signal. We're still bullish on daily time frame. On 4 hours, we have still bullish with bearish divergences. And 1 hour, it changed direction already to bearish. For all indexes, on 1 hour, we change direction to bearish. For SPY, for SQ, for Q, for Dow, for Russell 2000, on 1 hour, it changed direction to bearish, ready for bearish sale. Ready for bearish sale. For bearish reversal signal. It's ready for bearish reversal signal, and we consider it as a bull trap. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. Please review it. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Thank you for watching Simple Trading Style video. I do publish daily and weekly weekly updates for stocks, ETFs, cryptos. Please subscribe for all my channels and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your effort. Thank you and good luck. Bye now.